Importance of sustained and practical engagement with Afghanistan in order to help the Afghan people overcome the humanitarian and economic crises afflicting their country. As you would have seen, a meeting of the Joint Working Group of the Political and Security Pillar of the Saudi-Pakistan Supreme Coordination Council was held in Islamabad yesterday. The meeting was co-chaired by Foreign Secretary George Salim and Ambassador Dr. Saud bin Mohammed Al-Sati, Deputy Minister for Political Affairs of Saudi Arabia. During the meeting, in-depth discussions were held on wide-ranging topics of mutual interest, and the two sides resolved to further strengthen the long-standing bilateral cooperation in political and security domains. You would have seen our categorical rejection of India's baseless propaganda directed against Pakistan at the meeting of the UN Counterterrorism Committee in Mumbai last week. We have also strongly condemned the highly irresponsible, provocative, and gratuitous remarks by the Indian Defence Minister at a public event on Kashmir Black Day in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. We remain deeply concerned over the situation in IIOJK. Only during the month of October, the Indian occupation forces, in their continued acts of state terrorism, martyred 14 Kashmiris in fake encounters and in illegal custody. Indian police, paramilitary personnel, and notorious National Investigation Agency also arrested 47 people and destroyed a residential house during coordinated search operations and house raids in different areas of the occupied territory during the month. Pakistan has consistently called upon the international community to shoulder its responsibility with regards to IIOJK. India must be held responsible for its nefarious scheme of altering the demography of IIOJK, as well as its unabated brutal repression of the innocent Kashmiris. Finally, I would like to note that the Prime Minister would be participating in the COP27 related summit in Sharm el-Sheikh on 7th and 8th November. We will be sharing more details about that visit in due course. Thank you.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा आसिम इफ्तिखार हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग कर रहे थे। इस दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ ने चीन का दौरा किया है। इस दौरे में वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने चीनी क़यादत से मुलाकातें की, जबकि गवादर एयरपोर्ट, कराची सर्कल रेलवे और ML मंसूबे पर पेशरफ्त के हवाले से भी बातचीत की गई।